Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Enjoying at home, but I hope you all are studying too. So students, are you ready for your science class? We were doing your chapter number 5, living and non-living things, right? So today we will continue with the part 8, that means the further explanation. So which is our last characteristic? There were 6 characteristics, right? Which is the last one? Living things reproduce. So take out your textbooks and be ready with me. Page number 33 children. 6 characteristics of living things. Living things reproduce. Now what is reproduce? Let us see. The process by which living things produce young ones. Produce means they make young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. That means a human being gives birth to a human being. A dog gives birth to puppies which will grow into a dog. Cat give birth to kittens which grow into cat. So the living things produce young ones of their own kind, है ना. हम own kind produce reproduce करते हैं. एक human being में से दूसरा human being, एक animal में से दूसरा animals. This process is called reproduction. Understand and mark the definition. This definition is very important. Mark star. The process, read along with me. The process by which living things, the process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Re means again, okay. The process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Understood the definition, children? Remember, some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs, like human beings. Human beings produce another human being, but there are some animals who produce by laying eggs. That means जो अंडे देते हैं, है ना? And some by giving birth to young ones. And some animals give directly birth to young ones, like dog, cats, है ना? So some animals, सबका reproduce करने का वे अलग होता है. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs and some by giving birth to young ones. Let us see. Insects, birds, snakes, crocodiles and frogs. How many names? Insects, birds, snakes, crocodiles and frogs. 5 names. What do? Lay eggs. That means वो अंडे देते हैं. Lay eggs from which babies come out. Earlier also you studied that egg में से chick निकला and then chick is grown into a hen. So in the same way there are these animals who lay eggs, children, and from the eggs babies come out. Dogs, cats and humans. Children, see, dogs, cats and humans give birth to young ones. That means these are different from these. जो हमने ऊपर 5 नाम पढ़े, they lay eggs. But dog, cats and human beings, what do? They give birth to young ones. Dogs have puppies, cats have kittens and human beings have babies. You all might have seen, dog जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे देते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Puppies. right? So dogs have puppies and cat जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे देती है, see in your textbook picture is shown, they are known as kittens. And when human beings give birth, they are known as babies. Like you all were small baby when you were born, so these give birth to young ones. Plants produce seeds. Now how plants are reproduced? Plants produce seeds. New plants grow from seeds. छोटे छोटे seeds से new plant grow होता है. So it is said that plants produce seeds and new plants grow from seeds. Some plants, but some plants जो होते हैं produce new plants from other parts of the plants. जैसे ऊपर हमने देखा कुछ एनिमल्स का वे अलग था रिप्रोड्यूस करने का एंड कुछ का अलग था. इन द सेम वे चिल्ड्रन, in trees also some plants produce seeds while some plants produce new plants from other parts of the plants. जो plants के दूसरे parts होते हैं उसमें से new plants produce करते हैं. Which parts of the plants children? Like stem, roots or leaves. Stems, roots or leaves. So all these we studied were about living things, human beings, dogs, cats, birds, snakes, crocodile, all these were living things who reproduce. So the topic's name is living things reproduce, and so we can say that living things reproduce. Can your doll or toy reproduce? एक डॉल में से दूसरी डॉल बनती है? No. So non-living things cannot reproduce children. See the picture. Bird क्या दे रहा है? Eggs. Bird lay eggs, right? And this is a plant grow from seed, right? So for the revision of this topic, I'll show you a short video. See the video carefully.
Living things reproduce. The process by which living things produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs and some...
See, can you see eggs? Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Now you will show the pictures of those animals which we studied who lay eggs.
Some by giving birth to young ones. Insects, birds, snakes, crocodiles and frogs lay eggs from which babies come out. Animals like dogs and cats give birth to their young ones. Dogs have puppies.
Did you see? Dogs give birth to young one and cats also give birth to young one. See, all these are small puppies. Cute, na? So this is now.
Puppies. Cats have kittens and human beings.
And cats have kittens. Did you see the picture of
Dogs and
kittens?
cats give birth
See, so cute, right?
to
And
their young ones. Dogs have puppies, cats have kittens, and human beings have babies.
human beings have babies.
Plants produce seeds. New plants grow from seeds or from other parts of the plants, like stems, roots, or leaves. So, living things.
See children, these are the parts of the plant from which some plants produce stem, roots and leaves. So I hope this topic was clear for you and you have understood. Now I have a short homework for you children, that is your worksheet. See children, worksheet on the topic living things reproduce. First, what is reproduction? We understood, very important point, the definition. Second, name the parts of the plants from which new plants can be produced. Right now we studied parts of the plant. Third, give example of living things who lay eggs from which babies come out. You have to mention names of such animals who lay eggs. And the last, Cats give birth to puppies. True or false? You have to write, is this statement correct or incorrect? So children, will meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.